Kung nagtataka ka kung paano makakuha ng mas maraming sales o leads mula sa landing page mo, you are in the right place. Ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Leadpages para mag-run ng A/B test sa mga landing page mo step by step. Ang A/B testing ay isa sa pinaka-powerful na tool sa marketing. It's like having a behind-the-scenes look at what actually gets people to click, sign up, or buy. Imbis na hulaan lang, makakagawa ka ng desisyon gamit ng totoong data. And Leadpages makes the whole process super simple kahit na beginner ka pa lang. Why A/B testing matters? Kung may sarili kang tindahan, baka i-rearrange mo ang mga display para makita kung ano ang mas napapansin ng customers. One day, you showcase new arrivals at the entrance, and the next day you highlight a sale rack. You'll quickly notice which layout gets people to buy more. Ganyan din ang A/B testing para sa landing pages mo. It's all about testing two versions of the same page, changing one small element tulad ng headline or a button color to see which one gets better results. Hindi ito hula-hula lang, based ito sa totoong data. Kaya makakagawa ka ng decision ayon sa kung ano talagang nag-work para sa audience mo. For e-commerce, where every single click counts, A/B testing can mean the difference between an okay campaign and a one that drives major sales. Ano nga ba talaga ang A/B testing? A/B testing is when you create two versions of a landing page, version A at version B, at ipapakita ito sa magkaibang visitors ng sabay. May isang maliit na pagkakaiba sa bawat version tulad ng ibang headline, call to action button, or image. Over time, you can see which version performs better by comparing key metrics like click-through rates or conversions. Parang nag-experiment ka ng maliit na test sa website mo. And the best part, sobrang dali lang mag-setup at mag-analyze ng A/B test sa Leadpages kahit wala kang technical skills. Bago tayo magsimula sa tutorial, let's quickly go over some of the key features that make A/B testing in Leadpages so effective. Easy duplication. Sa Leadpages, isang click lang magagawa mo ng i-duplicate ang original na landing page mo. This makes it super simple to create a second version for testing without starting from scratch. Simple traffic splitting. Automatic na hinahati ng Leadpages ang traffic sa A/B testing pages mo. Kaya hindi na kailangan mag-setup ng complicated system. Pwede mo pang kontrolin ang percentage split gaya ng 50-50 or 70-30. Real-time analytics. Nagbibigay ang Leadpages ng real-time data sa performance ng bawat page. Makikita mo ang conversion rates, click-through rates, at iba pa, lahat sa isang dashboard. Intuitive design options. Kahit baguhan ka lang sa landing page design, sobrang dali mag-edit ng headlines, colors, o images gamit ang drag-and-drop builder ng Leadpages. At hindi kailangan ng coding knowledge. Quick implementation of winning pages. Kapag alam mo na kung aling version ang mas effective, pwede mo nang gawing main page ang winning version sa ilang clicks lang. Mas pinapadali nito ang process para masulit ang results mo. Dahil sa mga features na to, sobrang dali na magsimula sa A/B testing kahit first time mo pa lang itong gawin. Now let's dive into the step-by-step tutorial. Ang unang dapat mong gawin ay gamitin ang aming exclusive link sa description para makapag-sign up. Kung hindi ka pa naka-sign up, i-click lang as sign up for free. Pagkatapos nito, piliin ang plan na bagay sa'yo. Makikita mo na may iba't ibang options silang available. Standard plan, which is $49 per month, billed monthly, 5 landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, 1 custom domain, 200 conversion templates, best-in-class conversion tools, standard integrations. Pro plan, $99 per month, with unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, free custom domains, over 200 optimized templates, ability to sell products and services, and includes a blog feature. Kung pipiliin mong magbayad ng annually, you can save some money on both standard and pro plans. Be sure to check that out. Conversion plan, $697 per month. Kailangan mong kontakin ng support para sa plan na to, but it includes a full marketing funnel audit, a customized landing page built for you, 1 paid media campaign, a dedicated conversion expert, a pro account, unlimited landing pages, unlimited traffic and leads, and advanced integrations. May options sila para sa lahat, at isang magandang benefit ay pwede mo subukan ng platform ng libre sa loob ng 14 days. Kaya kung hindi ka pa sigurado, pwede mo munang i-check gamit ang free trial. Getting started with your A/B test. Kapag napili mo na ang plan na gusto mo, i-click ang start free trial tapos mag-sign up gamit ang Google or email. Once you're in, mapapansin mong sobrang intuitive at madaling i-navigate ang dashboard. Exploring the dashboard. Inside, makikita mo ang dashboard, landing pages, which we will be working on, sites, blogs, conversion tools, leads, brand images, scripts, integrations, domain support. Makikita mo rin ang performance metrics ng direkta sa dashboard. Creating your first landing page. To get started with A/B testing, kailangan muna natin ng landing page. Kaya simulan natin na paggawa ng landing page at pipili tayo ng isang simple muna para magsimula. Setting up your A/B split test. Ngayon gumawa tayo ng split test. Give your name a page. This helps keep things organized. Understanding the layout. Leadpages is very simple and intuitive. You can adjust sections however you like. You can add different elements including events, opt-in forms, schedules, and text blocks. Drag and drop customization. Just drag in widgets and customize them. You can easily add text, images, forms, buttons, and videos. Creating a split test. Go back to landing page. Here you'll see the page we just created. Click Create New Split Test. We'll name this Split Test 1. Add a variation. You can copy the control or choose a different page. We'll copy the control group and make one small change. Edit variation. Split Test 2. To keep things simple, ang papalitan lang natin ay button. Changing more than one thing at a time makes it harder to track what actually worked. Ngayon tapusin na natin at i-run ang test. Making the change for your A/B test. Change the button color. I-update natin ito ng super bright na red to see if that works better. Alternatively, we can do a test color that matches the brand vibe and compare results. Click Publish. Now we have both the control group, which is the original version, and the variation with the new button color. Distributing traffic and publishing. Distribute the traffic. Piliin mo kung paano mo gustong i-split ang traffic. 50-50, equal traffic to both versions, or 70-30, more traffic to one version, or pwede mag-custom split. Publish both versions. Once traffic is set, simply publish the test. Ginagawang sobrang dali at intuitive ng Leadpages ang prosesong to. Get started with A/B testing today. Kung gusto mong magsimula sa free trial o iset up ito para sa sarili mo, siguraduhin gamitin ang link namin sa description sa baba. Ang A/B testing ay isa sa pinakamadali pero pinaka-powerful na paraan para improve ang landing page mo. Ang Leadpages make it super easy for anyone to do. Kahit headlines, images, or call to action buttons ang tinetest mo, small tweaks can lead to big results. Kung seryoso ka sa pagpaplano ng e-commerce business mo, dapat kasama sa mga tools mo ang A/B testing. Again, nasa description sa baba ang link kung gusto mo tong subukan. Ang channel na to ay tungkol sa pagtulong sa'yo ma-master ang mga tools at strategies you need to succeed in the e-commerce world. Kaya siguraduhin i-like at mag-subscribe sa channel, mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa baba kasi gusto naming makarinig ng feedback from you. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.